Today, I'm going to show you how to download the best video editor. Open your browser, search for Capcut. Click on the first option. Click Download. Now wait for it to download and open it when it is done. It will install automatically. You just need to wait for it. If you like this kind of video, please like and subscribe to the channel. It will need some time to check whether your computer is suitable to use Capcut. After done, click Continue. You can click Create Project to start editing a video. Here are some tutorials to start using the app. I hope this video helps you. See you next time.